Good morning, students. As we have started the chapter surface area and volume, in that we have done the volume of cuboid, cube, and now today we will do volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder, as you know, cylinder is of the form this. This is the cylinder of height h and r is the radius. So volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, and area of base. Suppose area here, circumference of the base, circumference of base of cylinder, it is equal to 2 pi r, and area of base of cylinder pi r square. Yes. Now we will use this and find the exercise 13.6. See the question number 1. See question number 1. See what is given in the question number 1. Question number 1 is given. The circumference of base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter. What is given here? Circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter. Height is given 25 centimeters. How many liters of water can it hold? How many liters of water can it hold means we have to find the capacity or volume here. So and it is given here 1000 cubic centimeter equal to 1 liter. 1000 cubic centimeter equal to 1 liter. So what is given here? Given is here. First we will write the given. Given circumference of cylinder. It is given 132 centimeter. Height is given 25. Height is given 25 centimeters. Height is given 25 centimeters. Now, how many liters of water can it hold? And we know that circumference of base of a cylinder is 2 pi r. Therefore, then we have to write the formula. Circumference of cylinder, it is equal to 2 pi r. So what is given? 2 pi r is given 132. Given here 2 pi r equal to 132. So we will write here 2 into 22 by 7 into 25, it is equal to 132. Sorry. Into r, we have to find r, into 132. This we have to find the r. So here r will be equal to 132 into 7 upon 2 into 22. This cancel. 6, 6. This is 2 times. This is 6, 3. So r equal to 21 centimeter. So first we have find the radius of a cylinder. That is circumference is given. From here we have find the radius of. Now what is given here? Find the how many liters of water can it hold? Means volume we have to find. So volume of cylinder, it is equal to pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So we will put the value. Pi means 22 by 7. R is given 21 square. H is given 25. Or 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 into 25. This cancel 3 times. So it is 22 into 3 into 21 into 25, or it will be 66 into 21 into 25. If you multiply, it will be 34650 centimeter cube. So if you multiply, you will get 34650 centimeter cube. Now what is given here? 1000. It is given here. Given 1000 centimeter cubic equal to 1 liter. 1000 cubic centimeter equal to 1 liter. Therefore, 1 centimeter cube equal to 1 by 1000 liter. Therefore, 34650 centimeter cube equal to 34650 upon 1000. This 0 cancel. So it will be 34.65 liters. So total capacity of that cylinder is 34.65 liters. Here first that is volume of cylinder, we is this formula, and given to you is circumference of a cylinder, then and height is given. From there we will find the radius of cylinder. Then after getting the radius we will find the volume of cylinder. After getting the cylinder, and it is given here, this is given 1000 cubic centimeter equal to 1 liter. From there, for 1 cubic centimeter equal to 1 by 1000, and 34650 centimeter cube equal to this much. We will do one more. Question number 4. Here given, if the lateral surface of a cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square, height is 5 centimeter, then find the radius, volume, and the value of pi is given 3.14. So what is given here? Given that is lateral surface area of cylinder. It is given 94.2 centimeter square. Lateral surface area of cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square. Height is given, h is given 5 centimeter. This is given 5 centimeter, and the value of pi, and pi is given, we have to use 3.14. What we have to find? Radius. First, that is find the radius. In second case, we have to find the volume. First case we have to find the radius, second case we have to find the volume. So lateral surface of a cylinder is given 94.2. Therefore lateral surface area of cylinder, it is equal to 2 pi RH. What is the formula? 2 pi RH. So given here 2 pi RH equal to 94.2, then 2 into 3.14 into R is not given, H is given, height is 5, it is equal to 94.2. Here value of pi is given 3.14, so in place of 22 by 7 we will use 3.14. Now then R equal to 94.2 upon 2 into 3.14 into 5. Now this cancel here, it is 10, and from here it is 3. Simplify this 2 or this cancel, this will be 3 times, and 250 this. So R equal to 10 centimeter. R equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore radius equal to 10 centimeter. So we have find the radius, that is 10 centimeter. Then further what we have to find the volume. Here radius is 10 centimeter. So simplify this first. Here something went wrong. So we will find from here R equal to 94.2 upon 2 into 3.14 into 5. This is 100. This is 10. Here. And this will cancel 3 times. And this cancel this. So R equal to 3 centimeter. R equal to 3 centimeters. Here R equal to 3 centimeter. Therefore radius equal to 3 centimeter. Then we have to find the second volume. Volume of cylinder. It is equal to pi R square H. So pi is 3.14, R is 3 square into H is given 5. So 3.14 into 9 into 3.14 into 45. Just you multiply here. So if you multiply, you will get the answer. It will be 141.03 centimeter cube. So therefore, volume of cylinder equal to 141.3 centimeter cube. So simplify in this way. So learn by heart the formula and do the exercise in your fair copy. Thank you.